never see the lights out. They got me overdrive. Fancy on a fast car. This is how you make me feel. Don't stress me now. I got the other dose. I'm feeling it in my bones. And if you say that I'm lying to you, you say it's killing me. I wish I could fall asleep. The problem is
memories echo inside me. This time is slowly ticking away. I miss the way that we were in harmony. I'm having trouble letting go. I close my eyes and wish you were closer. Now we're like footprints in the snow, slowly fading until it's over. Our memories won't last forever. I'll love you for eternity. So baby, let's get back together. I'll show you what you need, a symphony. So I propose that we embrace love, hope, and our affection. Nostalgia is crashing down, a bittersweet burning feeling. 'Cause when I start to look around, home isn't the same way you're leaving. Our memories won't last forever. I'll love you for eternity. So baby, let's get back together. I'll show you what you need, a symphony.
city's gonna tell you the tale. Everyone was left in the veil. My time won't come to an end. Take a look around, it's a war zone. The damage is already done. Take a look around, it's a war zone. The damage is already done. Take a look around and keep your guns high. It's a war zone. It's a war zone, and I'll be fighting for my life. So keep your guns high. It's a war zone. It's a war zone, and I'll be fighting. I'm bad to the bone. Got blood on my knees. I'm bad for my life. I'm fighting. Yeah, I'm bad to the bone. Got blood on my knees. I'm bad for my life. I'm fighting. The ash keep burning down. No, you won't hear a sound. The screaming bottled within. Take a look around and keep your guns high. It's a war zone. It's a war zone, and I'll be fighting for my life. So keep your guns high. It's a war zone. It's a war zone, and I'll be fighting. And I'll be fighting for my life. So keep your guns high. It's a war zone. It's a war zone, and I'll be fighting for my life. So keep your guns high. It's a war zone. It's a war zone, and I'll be fighting. It's a war zone.